What's your name, bud? Alright, keep your arms at your sides, alright? Guys, go threes.
Here's your hand, bud. Where'd that come from?
Jesus. 1660, Detective from Devon just showed up. He's in custody.
10-4, suspect in custody.
They think he might have a pistol in his waistband.
What's that?
Might have a pistol in his waistband.
You do?
1660 will still need a car here.
10-4.
Yeah.
Airsoft. Is that it?
1660. Did you get a call from Huntington here on Pearl?
That's a negative.
Okay.
Oh, my lawyer. You got it. Stand up, change the word for it.
And 1660 will take IBO here as well. I'm going to check here just to...
Yep.
10-4, I'll start IBO that way.
I'll wait till we get him secured. Yep. This bank as I'm walking by.
You just stuff at bank property as you walk by?
That's awesome. Well done. I think you're probably going to work for this one. Just throwing it out there.
You can't... We almost bumped into each other, didn't we?
Seriously?
Well...
Was it even a call?
No. I came... Well, wait to talk.
Yeah.
We're going to need to get some interviews from the bank, but...
Okay. If I want a picture with the...
Yeah. Let's just have him have a seat in that. Can you get a big envelope?
Yeah.
We'll start. Yeah.
Bad lunch. Okay, picture real quick before you have a seat. Here you go with your...
Oh, let's just have him have a seat and we'll... We can leave it stuff on and we'll have IBO take pictures.
You can have a good one here.
Huh?
You can have
Yeah, right. Throw some... Actually, I'm going to do my... Airsoft.
A man says he feared for his life after an accident with a deputy on I-526 this week. And Chad Walton caught it all on tape.
And for Nikki, what happened here?
Dean of Victoria Chad Walton says he was leaving West Ashley when he got behind a North Carolina deputy on 526. And from there, let's just say things got ugly.
Onslow County Sheriff's Department holding up traffic on 526.
Growing impatient, Chad Walton says he flashes high beams at the officer, hoping he'd get out of the way.
He was traveling at least 5 miles an hour, if not more, under the speed limit in the far left lane.
But Walton says the deputy, Craig Culpepper, who was in North Charleston for canine training, never budged.
And I could see him, talking and cussing and whatnot. You could see him leaning over and just like, he knew I could see him in the mirror. And he's just, running at the mouth.
In the video, you see that Walton decides to pass the deputy and eventually move in front of him.
Now he wants to chase me down.
It wasn't long before Culpepper reacted.
He then proceeded to come up on my right side. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Passed me, cut me off, and slammed on brakes, caused me to rear end him.
Walton then made a call to 911.
911, what's the address and emergency?
Ma'am, I'm on the interstate. I'm being chased by a sheriff's deputy from North Carolina on 526. I don't know what his intentions are, but I am scared for my life right now.
It does show me making an aggressive maneuver. I admit that. I own that.
Culpepper, who's since resigned, says he admits he was in the wrong, but felt Walton was taunting him.
In my mind, I wasn't breaking the law. I was maintaining my lane. I was doing the speed limit, and I felt antagonized by him, and I really just wanted the guy to go away.
The deputy hopes his actions don't give fellow officers a bad name, but instead shows that no one's perfect.
It was a human emotion and a human reaction that I allowed to get the best of me, and I should not have.
Somebody that gets this irate over somebody flashing their high beam lights at them shouldn't be in law enforcement.
And these nights are getting shorter, like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real. energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real. Don't know how long we've been out here, and these nights are getting shorter. Like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real. nights are getting shorter, like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul,